Hello, everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to make prototype in Figma, so let's begin. We are on our Figma design page and make our own frame. Round the corners. Choose the color. I am going with blue color. Take a circle and make it as a sun. And now we are going to make a cloud. To make it, just take a rectangle and circle. Adjust them all. Press Ctrl or Command G to group them. Change the color into white. Adjust them. Copy-paste the sun to make the sunlight. Decrease the opacity. Copy-paste it. Delete the sunlight and cloud to make the night sky. Change the color of the frame too. Change sun into moon. Copy-paste the moon and change the color. Copy-paste it. Decrease the opacity. Again, copy-paste it. Copy-paste the moon to make the moonlight. Select the pen tool to make the star. Round the corners. Change the color into white. Adjust them. And now go to the prototype section on the top right side. Select the whole frame 1 and attach them to the frame 2. Do the same thing. Attach frame 2 to frame 1. Go to the preview section to see the result. The results are awesome. Let's try to add a frame to make the preview bigger. Let's change the color. Okay, now let's see. No difference, but still it's looking good. Comment me if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video for more videos. Also follow me on Instagram.